Yo, what's good people? Welcome to January 99 Discovery, and this is our second episode. Today we are going to talk about South African 5 Rand, which was introduced 2013, and Botswana currency, also known as Botswana dollar. But first, did you know that Botswana used South African Rand before Pula was introduced? However, Zimbabwean dollar became obsolete on 12 April 2009. Where several currencies, including South African Rand and Botswana Pula, were circulating in Zimbabwe alongside with Zimbabwean bond notes and Zimbabwean bond coins. Pula was introduced on 23rd of August 1976, subsequently known as Pula Day, replacing Rand at par. 100 days after the Pula was introduced, the Rand ceased to be legal tender in Botswana. But if you look at this 5 Rand in front, they used a wildebeest. Wildebeests were known for their resilience and abilities to survive in harsh environments. And this animal, a dominant male, has a harem of females and will not allow other males to mate with them. Zulus called it Nkoni, meaning a champion or a leader in any field. However, if you look at Botswana Pula, they used a rhino as a symbol in front of their currency, to Pula. In African folklore, the rhino is often featured as central figure in stories embodying traits such as courage, determination, and wisdom. Also, rhinos were known as protectors of the land and its people, with those horns symbolizing strength and authority. I'm your boy January 99. See you next time.